everybody and welcome to my channel. So this is the design that I created this week and these are the colour powders that I used. So I sculpted these nails this week using my nail forms from Miss You Beauty. So I do already have a very thin layer of acrylic on my nails. I've extended them out already, just ever so slightly. So there was no need to prep these nails. I just went straight over with my colour powders and sculpted them out. So the first one that I used is this blue one from Miss You Beauty. So once I created the fade or ombre look on this nail, I went ahead and encapsulated it in clear acrylic liquid and powder. Now I don't film me doing this on every nail because this video would be super duper long. So in order to save time, I just show you how I did it on this one nail. So then with my hand file, I just file them into shape and just remove any little bumps or imperfections, and then I go in with my hand nail file or my electric file, sorry, and just make sure that it is flush around the cuticle area and make sure that the rest of the nail is nice and smooth, ready for my gel top coat. So with my Miss You Beauty jewellery gel here and my gel brush, I just pop down a thin layer or a small amount of jewellery gel to the nail just where I wanted my AB rhinestones to go. I did them in like a swirl pattern. So before I cured this, in my LED lamp I placed my rhinestones on and then I cured them for 60 seconds. And so here I am just applying my UV gel non-white top coat to my nails, and then I cure them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and apply some cuticle oil. So I really hope you enjoyed watching my video this week, guys. I really appreciate all your support. If you enjoyed it, as always, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I'll pop pictures on at the end, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!